Hi, I'm Bob Stuber. Home security is everyone's job, and it begins by developing a simple daily home security routine. In this video, we're going to help you create a home security plan that the whole family can use to stay safe at home. At the end of the video, watch our step-by-step instructions on how to replace a keyed knob and a deadbolt lock.
Every year, more than 2 million burglaries occur in the United States. 2 out of 3 of these burglaries occur in people's homes. Home burglary rates are highest in summer months, and 60% take place during the day. 1 in 3 burglaries involves unlocked doors or windows, so it's really important to keep your house locked up.
The key to home safety is a 3-step process. It starts with K. Keep your doors and windows locked. You can have the best lock that money can buy, but if you don't use it, if you don't keep it locked, it's not doing you any good. Did you know that 1/3 of all burglaries in this country happen because the burglar comes through an unlocked door or window? Keep your locks locked. E, it's about evaluating those locks. Evaluate them to make sure you've got the best security possible. You think you have it, you need to make sure that you have it. Evaluate the locks and pay special attention to entryway doors, deadbolt locks. That's the most important lock in the house. Not all deadbolts are the same. You want the best that you can get, and evaluate those locks on a regular basis to make sure that they stay in good working order. Next is Y. It's about you and your family, your loved ones, your possessions. That's what that lock is there for. It's there to protect you and your way of life. K, keep your doors and windows locked. E, evaluate to make sure that you have the best deadbolt on the market, and take a look at it on a regular basis to make sure it stays in good working order. Why? Because it's about you and your family.
Leaving doors and garages open creates a target that's easy for criminals to spot. Do the safe at home routine at least twice a day. Make sure the doors and windows of your home are securely locked. Home safety is everyone's job. Involve children at an early age by practicing the safe at home routine, and it will become second nature to them. Keeping doors and windows locked is a great start to home protection, but it's only the first step to protecting yourself and your family. Intruders will go to great lengths to gain access to your home. Many times the only thing keeping a criminal from entering your home is a deadbolt lock. Make sure your home's locks are providing you with the protection you expect. Forcible entry is a factor in nearly 70% of home burglaries.